Hi, I'm an artist and a designer. I have 10 years of experience in graphic design and 3 years in fashion design. I like to communicate in visual language. I use pencil, crayons, markers, acrylic paint, watercolor, ink, and blend them in mixed media art. I also make computer graphic, do photography and retouching, and combine them in design. At the same time, I understand that creation of a project it is not only about creativity and artistic expression. My marketing skills are following. I can analyze the market, define the target audience, create a customer avatar, and I know the principles of usability and technical issues. I will be happy to cooperate with you and build your idea, your brand, your project. Thank you.